Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to insert survey data from Excel to AutoCAD with 3D points using a LISP file. So let's start. First, we have to insert the total station data in the Excel file. I already inserted in the Excel. How to insert the total station data to Excel? I was show in my previous video. The link of that video I attached in the I button. So now for insert the data in the AutoCAD, in the Excel sheet, we need 4 columns. First listing, then northing, then RL and code. Now we have to save as it in the CSV file. So go to the file and click on the save as, and click on the browse. Then select the file location where you wanted to save it. Then go to the save as type and select on it and select CSV. Now click on save. Now go to the AutoCAD and command upload. Then select the LSP file and click on the load. Here you can see that the LSP file has successfully loaded. Then close it. Then command C point. Then select the CSV file, which coordinate you wanted to insert it in the AutoCAD. So this is my Excel file. So this is my CSV file. I click on it and click on open. Then here in the Excel file, I use a column for string. So I select A, then press enter. Then you have to select the northing column in the Excel file. I use B column for the northing. So I command B. Then we have to select the RL column in the Excel file. I use RL column in the C. Then press enter. Then which column in the Excel file you use for code? I use D column for the code. So I command here D and press enter. Then what will be our label text height? I select her 0.2 and press enter. Now I can see my point. For display the point, we command here get enter, E enter. Now you see that my survey point has already inserted in the AutoCAD. I can see now I can see my point. So that to see the point, go to the format, then select the point style, then select which point style you wanted to see. Now in the select the point size, I select 0.3 and selected set size in absolute unit, then click on OK. Now you see that my point has already started. Click on the point. So you can see that my X, Y and RL has shown. So thank you for watching this video and please subscribe my channel. To new more AutoCAD and survey and construction related video.